Change your air filter, lift up the seat. Got these 4 tabs. Pop them off like that. Lift this up. Got that right there. You'll want a Phillips screwdriver or a small, I think it's like a 6 or 4 millimeter. Got Phillips right here. You unscrew it. Pop that up. Now we want to take out this insert. First thing, take off the ring. Then after you have the ring, just spread this around the sides. Till it's over the lip. And you pull it out. It's a lot easier with 2 hands. And just stretch it over like that. Usually you'll oil these down with like a spray or something before you install it. But I don't have any today. So that one's going straight to the garbage. We now have our fresh filter. Some of these do come pre-oiled, which this one actually looks like it is. You can see the oil, and there's like an oil texture to it. Take your canister, stretch it over that, and press it on. There's a little nipple in the back, a hole for it. And just bring that up and over. Just work your way around. Want to put this clamp back on. Make sure it's all the way on around it. It's making contact. You'll take your screwdriver. Make sure it's nice and snug. Throw this back down. And all you do is push them into place. It's that easy. Take your seat, put it on, shove it forward, and down. Now, you're ready to go.